poppin', y'all? It's y'all boy BlaccpvpiDaGod, and we back with another unboxing. Today, we are doing an unboxing for the Black-owned brand, because you know I've been telling y'all we gotta do the Black-owned. We are black. If I'm black, you black. We black.
I'm blickety black, blacker than black, black. I'm blacker than black, yo, because I'm black and I'm back.
We got a shot Black-owned. Today we're doing the Black-owned brand, PLAYAxMADE. I've been following them for some time now, so let's see what's up. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before anything so that we can get ahead as a group. Y'all know y'all are my crew, the Royal Guard, the Royal Family. I could call y'all the gods, the goddesses, the royals. We're gonna come up with a name for y'all. But either way, y'all part of my royal crew, so please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get this started. I was made abreast of the fact that a brand that I have been following for some years now called PLAYAxMADE. Nice clothes, nice shit. They come out of Baton Rouge in Louisiana. You should definitely check them out. They came up with their own mystery box with 8 pieces in it. Well, up to 8 pieces, I believe. That's what it said. I'm gonna go to the website now so we can read it. This is PLAYAxMADE. Check them out. They're definitely worth the checkout. And let me go to the mystery box. Yeah, the mystery box consists of 8 random items. The box will have caps, t-shirts, accessories, and outerwear. I love all those things. First of all, I'm extra excited because number 1, it's a Black-owned brand. Number 2, 8 items, bro. And another bonus is that this shit shipped fast as hell. Like, when I tell you this was like on its way to me after like the day that I bought it, like I swear, they shipped it so fast. I love a company that's not gonna leave me hanging. Cause I had a couple companies leave me hanging and then not ship my order for like a month. And I'm like messaging them, especially around this time of year. Like it's you could easily get the okie doke with a lot of these little Instagram brands. But you know, they sent this very fast. Now, let's see what's up, PLAYAxMADE. All right. You know, the famous box opening scissors. I hope I have something in here I can wear to the Poconos. I'm trying to look fly in front of everybody that I never met. Damn. They had this shit taped down. I like that though. Niggas was not about to steal my box in the USPS facilities. I have this thing, guys. I don't know how to not open things just savagely. Like, it could be like a thing of cheese. It could be a thing like a fish sticks carton. Like, if that shit takes any effort to open, like anything more than, like, I have strong hands. I'm opening that shit. Brute strength, nigga. Anyways. Ooh, I like what I see already. Ooh. Got a nice basic tee. I'm player. You player. You player? I'm playing, nigga. You player? Yo, I'm about to be in this jeans with this, bro. This is fire. Let's definitely try this on. I don't know why I had to put a fucking turtleneck on. I like turtlenecks like when they on, but like I don't know who was extra enough, because this is some extra ass shit. This is some shit I probably would have thought of if I was born a little earlier. Like, who would have thought just get a fucking sweater, but like make that shit all the way up the neck? That shit's gonna be fire. Watch, niggas is gonna be on turtleneck timing. Turtleneck timing, nigga. Who thought about turtleneck timing? I wanna low-key shake their hand, but also ask them why they so extra. You can't stop the rain. You can't stop the rain. It's fire, it's a little tight. I'm gonna have to work out. I ain't been working out, y'all. Don't blame them. It's not tight because of them, it's tight because of me. I have not felt like working out, but you know what? This just gave me the motivation because I'm player and I'm gonna have to be able to keep a player outside with a player shirt. So it's gonna have to fit better. So I'm gonna have to keep working out. This shit is fire. I like it. If you got like a bomber jacket, that's all I need. A bomber jacket. Next. Don't hate the player, hate the game. This is my kind of shirt. It be these basic shirts like this that like set the outfit off. Hold on, let's try it on. I'm jacking white shirts is tighter than black shirts because how does shirt fit better? Like it fit good. It's like, it's still tight, don't get me wrong. I still need to work out, but like you would never know that this shit is a squeeze. Like this shit fit good to me. Let's see what's up with this shirt. Not an Olympic Games shit. Y'all don't know this about me, but I am very much very FIFA World Cup like. I am very much a World Game Olympic like. If I was Greek, nigga, if we was in ancient Greece, I would have definitely been one of the people at the top of the Coliseum watching them games. Like that sounds barbaric. Not the ones where they kill each other. I mean, unless, you know, it was a different time. But just know that I'm competitive. I love competition, and I'm fucking with this shirt. Let's try it on. I hope this shit ain't too tight, too. This shit ain't gonna be on my body. It don't look like it's gonna be on my body, but who knows? It's not doing too much. It's not doing too much. Oh, this fits fine. This fits fine. Hold on, it's not doing too much at all. And I got a jacket for this. All I need is a jean jacket. I saw the perfect jean jacket for this, bro. Next shirt. Hold this shit up, cause y'all know nobody wants no wrinkly clothes. You ever just seen somebody just look wrinkly as shit? All right. I said next shirt, but I don't know what this is. Is this a bag? Oh, it's like a little tote bag. This is cute. It could be a little deeper, but you know, this is a cute little tote bag, you know. Someone would rob the fuck out of me. Nice little tote bag for walking and talking and I don't know how much I'll walk outside with this. I'll probably use this in my room for something. I always find a use for good tote bags. But yeah. Next! I know exactly what I'm about to do. Wear one of these Olympic Games shirts. Next time I'm feeling competitive, bitch. I'm being there. Like the fry cook games, nigga. What's up? Oh, tell me this don't look fire, bro. Like, come on. Tell me this don't look fire on me. Like, but you'd be like, who that nigga in that shirt? Like, first of all, you would be like, what is that shirt? Because that's the first thing I would say. I don't ever, like, when I see people in flash clothes, I don't be noticing their face first. I'm like, what is that brand? I already know this is it. Because I seen this shirt. They just released this. Not just, but like, this is a fairly new, like, shirt they just put out. I'm about to be giving say hello to my little friend. Oh yeah, I'm fucking with this. This is giving, hold on. It's giving strub the ground, nigga. It's giving Migos.
Do it look like I'm left out bad and bougie? Nah, I mean,
this is definitely giving like big show, like I feel like I could definitely wear this out. Yo. Yeah, I know imagination is good, nigga. Don't try to tell me. Yo, why my brother try to tell? All right, just sidebar from my video. They are trying to get our kids to not have no imagination. These kids these days, like, they want them to just always want to be on an iPad or on TV or have some sort of entertainment. No, kids need to know how to have imagination, or you become an adult without an imagination. If you're a kid with no imagination, where do you think an imagination is gonna come from? So that's why my brother was mad at me, but he was like, I'm sorry, Princey, imagination is fun. Because I've been like keeping him off his iPad. And I've been like keeping him off the TV. Well, we're a TV watching, not a TV watching family, but we watch stuff together. But I've been like separating him from that, like, no, nigga. Because he would try to tell me he doesn't want to have an imagination. Having an imagination is stupid. Because my other brother, he has the biggest imagination. And he always wants to follow my brother, but he don't ever want us like, add to the imagination. He just wants to follow my brother, what he's doing. But nope, nigga, you gonna learn how to pay by yourself. But yeah, that was the vibes. That was my little sidebar tidbit. This shirt, it's everything. I just need to find a shoe that I could wear this out with. First of all, this is something I would make this shirt classy. Number one, not I would make it classy, but like I'm gonna get like a burgundy loafer. So I would need something like that, but I would still wear it with G. Like, just watch when I step out. Watch when I step out in this. See what happens when I step out in this one. Nigga, what? Niggas is not about to see me. But yeah, I fuck with the shirt. It's definitely giving. All right, let's see if I got anything left. Okay, I got 2 things left. 2 things. All right, we're going light skin or dark skin? Light skin, dark skin. Dark skin. First of all, we live for olive. Olive is a great color. All right, so I think these next 2 shirts is 2 Unplaya shirts, but in like 2 other colors. Let's try the olive green Unplaya first. Ooh, See, this shirt is giving too. Like, I'm happy I have so many things that are giving. And I needed a shirt in olive green. I'm fucking with it. Let's see the light skin version. Alright, let's get the light skin version of this shirt out, y'all. Say hi to my granddad, y'all. That's my granddad. Granddad, you're on YouTube. Say what's up.
They probably already seen me.
You know, I actually don't own a lot of tan belongings, so I'm actually quite happy with this.
What the fuck?
Did y'all hear that wildness? Like, this is what I do with my brothers is crazy.
Y'all heard that, right?
I heard, did you hear that? I bet my vlog heard it. Oh yeah, see, I ain't had a good tan bop in a while. I'm rocking with it. This is a great tan shirt. It makes me feel playa. This whole unboxing made me feel playa. I'm happy with the cops that they gave me. Thank you, PLAYAxMADE. I'm quite elated with my new cops. But yet again, not one pair of pants. It's funny because I read that unboxing and I knew I read what they were gonna have and I knew they wasn't gonna have no pants. For some reason, I just felt like they was gonna slip in a pair of pants for me. But that's what I get for always thinking I'm fucking special. I mean, I'm special, but I ain't special. No, I ain't special. My next unboxing, anybody that watches this ever wants me to unbox their brand, like in the future, if y'all do, put some pants in it for me, please. All right, put some pants in it for me, please. Niggas need pants out here, please. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And talk nice, don't talk at all. If you're not talking nice, don't talk twice. Unless you're talking fucking nice, alright? Peace! Now tell me y'all don't know who I'm talking about. Everybody know the nigga at the party with the spliff in his hand. Now hold on. Y'all can't tell me that I don't like the nigga at the party. I at least look like the nigga at like the pool party with the spliff in his hand. You know the nigga that went to the pool party but he ain't in the pool? I'm the nigga with the spliff in it.
It's 85 just to walk on. I don't talk to these niggas.
Cause a lot of these niggas be corny. Like, come on, bro. Tell me I'm not serving these niggas up with the spliff in my hand at the party. Like, you know, you know. But yeah, I guess that's it. Thank y'all for watching. I got the greatest followers there are. Cause you know, all 49 of y'all been making shit shake. I think we at 50. Am I at 50? Like, what we gonna see? We might be at 50, yo. Cause I seen we've been moving on up, y'all. Like the Jeffersons. Talk nice or don't talk twice, baby.